This video demonstrates how to solve inequalities in a single variable. When solving inequalities in a single variable, it's important to remember that if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. Otherwise, it's the same as doing a regular equation. The first one, we have to isolate our variable. First step is to add 1 to each side. 1's cancel. We get 3x is greater than 3. We divide by 3 to get x by itself. These 3's cancel. X is greater than 1. When we have a greater than, means that 1 is not part of the set. So to graph it on the number line, we leave an open dot at 1. And that completes it. Second equation, up here, same thing, we're going to subtract 4. Our 4's cancel. We have negative 2x greater than or equal to negative 8. Divide by a negative 2. Because we divide by a negative, x, we have to switch our sign. Less than or equal to a positive 4. Because it's in less than or equal to, it's a solid dot because 4 is part of the set with a line going to the left. Equation 3, we have to distribute. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 and a negative 2 is a negative 4, greater than or equal to 8. Add 4 to each side. 4's cancel. 4x greater than or equal to 12. Divide by 4. You get x by itself. X greater than or equal to 3. Because it's greater than or equal to, 3 is part of the set, solid dot, greater than or equal to, line to the right. Our last example, distribute once again. Negative 2 and a negative 3x is a negative 6x. Negative 2 and a negative 4 is a positive 8, greater than a negative 4. Subtract 8 from each side. 8's cancel. Negative 6x greater than negative 12. Divide by a negative 6. Because we divide by a negative, we change our sign from a greater than to a less than 2. 2 is not part of the set because it's not less than or equal to. Open dot with a solid line to the left. Always remember, when dividing by a negative number, to change the sign. Otherwise, it's the same as doing a standard equation.